Your network is killing your ambitions or making you rich. No one in school taught you how to choose a circle. No one graded you on the company you keep, the standards you live by, or the people who build you. But that's where your future is decided. Your environment is either your ladder or your cage. In the next few minutes, we'll give you 5 rules to find the people who make you richer in money, mindset, and opportunities. Rule number 5. Define your destination first. If you don't know where you're going, you'll end up surrounded by people who walk in circles. Most friendships are accidental. Neighbors, classmates, coworkers. We keep people close who don't grow. And our goals end up looking just as small as the high school dreams that never became reality. If you dream of building a business but spend your weekends with people who live for Friday and complain about Monday, guess whose game you're really playing? Start by asking yourself, what life do I want in 5 years? Who's already living it? Entrepreneurs, investors, creative professionals? Once you're clear, you'll realize the right people aren't found by accident, they're chosen. When your direction is clear, finding the right circle stops being a game of chance. You start deliberately stepping into the right rooms, projects, and companies because you know exactly what you're looking for. Rule number 4. Go where winners gather. If you're still looking for the right people in your usual circle, you're searching in a desert. Comfort rarely breeds success. You won't meet a millionaire at a table where the conversation is all about how bad things are and now's not the time to start. They gather where ideas and deals are born. That could be business breakfasts, industry conferences, masterminds, private clubs, or premium courses. One evening in the right room can give you a contact that changes the entire trajectory of your life. No money for expensive events? That's no excuse. Start with online communities, niche group chats, and LinkedIn groups. The key is to break out of your old circle. And most importantly, stop waiting for the right people to find you. You have to seek them out and make yourself visible. Rule number 3. Give before you get. The most common mistake is looking for a mentor or a rich friend just to get something. From that moment, no one takes you seriously anymore. In successful circles, the game is different. The person you want to connect with needs to see that you're not just a taker, you're a resource. It could be your skill, help with a project, a fresh idea, a valuable contact, or even solving a small problem that saves them time and energy. Valuable connections aren't bought with money, they're earned through usefulness. Wealthy and influential people don't forget those who make their life easier or their projects more successful. Want to enter a circle where money and opportunities flow? Forget "give me." Start with "here's what I can do for you." That's when doors start opening on their own. Rule number 2. Cut the dead weight. The rule of life is simple. For something new to come in, the old has to go. But most people cling to the very circle that's sinking them, out of fear of being alone, out of habit, or out of false loyalty. Ask yourself, after spending time with them, do you feel like taking action, earning more, building your future? Or do you just exhale and complain back? If it's the second, they're not friends. They're dead weight, dragging you under while others are already swimming ahead. Yes, cutting old ties hurts, but it's far more painful to wake up 10 years from now in the exact same place, having the exact same "how bad things are" conversations, and realizing you never truly started living. Clear the space, and the right people will fill it fast. The ones who pull you upward, the ones you want to build with, not just survive with. Rule number 1. Be the smallest in the room. If you're the smartest, most successful, and most experienced person among your friends, you're in the wrong room. When you're surrounded only by people who know less than you stop growing. You relax, start measuring yourself by their standards, and convince yourself you're good enough. The wealthy and successful deliberately choose environments where they're the weakest in the room, where their knowledge pales in comparison to others, and their results look small. This forces them to work faster, think bigger, and stop making excuses. Yes, being in such a group feels uncomfortable at first. You feel out of place, but that feeling is the engine. It turns envy into fuel, and the fear of looking foolish into the drive to get better. Look at the people you spend time with. Do they challenge you or comfort your laziness? If it's the latter, find new ones. In rooms where you're the smallest, you grow the fastest. The fastest way to change your life isn't a new job, a new strategy, or even more hours of work. It's new people. Get in the right rooms, and your goals start to feel achievable. Stay in the wrong ones, and they never will. If you're ready to step into the right rooms, start now and subscribe to our channel. Hey, if you watched this, you're already doing better. Stay safe and be progressive.